Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to add baby hair on this side braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I shared this style with you some few weeks ago, and one of my clients wanted it to have baby hair. So I'm basically just going to add baby hair on the hairline. Actually, after adding the baby hair, I felt like the baby hair should just be on the side. And then if you're a beginner, if you want to do the crochet, I advise you to use this hook crochet, the one that you can close other than this other one, because this one is faster for those people who are experienced, but now you can just practice if you want to use this other one. But if you're a beginner, use the other crochet, this one, the one that you can hook. It will be faster. So this wig is color black, and then the highlight is 27. Just comment down below guys if you love this style, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for ordering from my website guys. I really appreciate. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. And also make sure you join my community or my membership channel. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.